In science already we have started numerical. 2 questions we have done. Now next questions. So one by one we will solve all the questions. Kritika, can you tell me the mirror formula? What is the mirror formula?
Ma'am, the mirror formula is 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
That's right. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. And then magnification.
Now, magnification is equal to height of image by height of object.
Yes, right. HI by HO. And that is also equal to
Minus V by U.
minus V by U. Very good. Now tell me the given things in this question. What are the things given in this question? Third question in front of you.
Ma'am, the height of the object.
One by one, Kritika will tell. I will ask everyone.
Height of the object.
That is symbol we are using is
HO.
HO. Plus minus 1.2
Plus.
plus. Okay. Then next one.
Focal length.
Focal length is equal to
12 centimeters.
plus minus
Minus.
y minus or y plus.
Plus.
Which mirror is this?
Convex.
Convex mirror. Focus on left side or right side? This is convex
Right
mirror.
side. Right side.
So here is the focus. So focal length we are measuring on right hand side. Positive or negative then?
Positive.
Positive. Then at a distance of 8 centimeter from it. Object is kept at 8 centimeter from it. So this means whose value is 8 centimeter?
U.
Wait everyone, I will ask you one by one. I need to check how many students got to know this. Yes, Kritika?
U.
U is the object distance. Plus or minus?
Plus.
Where you are keeping object? On right hand side, left hand side?
Left hand side.
Here always we are keeping object. No, all the cases how we have drawn. By keeping the object on left hand side. So this side distances are
Negative.
negative. So this is minus 8, no? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what we have to find out? Find the location of the image. That is position of image. That is V we have to calculate. Height of image also we have to calculate. And we have to check whether the image is erect or inverted. Now here we have to use the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So 1 by F minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by V. F value is 1 by 12 minus of minus 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by V. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by V. So this is equal to LCM is 24, 12 twos are 8 threes are. So that is 5 by 24 is the value of 1 by V. So V is equal to reciprocal of this. 24 by 5, that is 4.8 centimeter. So position of the image is 4.8 centimeter. Then height of image, HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. So always remember minus V by U. Most of the students do mistake here. Then HI, we have to calculate. HO is given 1.2, that is equal to minus V, that is minus 4.8. U is minus 8. Minus sign cancel. HI is equal to 4.8 by 8 into 1.2. 8, 0.6. 0.6 into 1.2, 0.72 centimeter is the height of image. And now HI you got positive. So that means whether image is erect or inverted. You got the value of HI
Erect.
as 0.75.
Erect.
So image is erect.
Erect.
Because HI is positive. Positive means the image is above principal axis. Above principal axis means image is erect,
Positive.
image positive. Okay, right now. Completed?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll a little up? I can't see the complete question. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Next question. Gautam, for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sunlight is incident on a concave mirror parallel to its principal axis. The image is formed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the pole. Find the radius of curvature of the mirror.
Ma'am, image distance is 12 centimeter.
How? Yeah, image distance is 12 centimeter, right? It is given. That means V is equal to 12 plus or minus.
Plus, sorry, minus, ma'am, minus.
Minus 12. It's a concave mirror,
Yes,
right? Sunlight is incident on a concave mirror parallel to its principal axis.
yes,
So where it will pass through?
Focus.
focus.
So passes through focus. Another ray parallel to principal axis. From where it will pass?
Focus.
I'm asking only Gautam. So please others don't answer. Okay. So where is the image formed? Where will be
Ma'am,
the
at
image
F.
formed? At F.
At F.
So that means the image distance is the focal length.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you have to write incident rays parallel to principal axis. converge at focus. So therefore, image distance is equal to focal length. So what is the focal length now then?
Double of radius of curvature.
No, focal length. What is the
12,
value of focal length?
12.
Minus 12 centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is minus 12 centimeter, then what is the radius of curvature?
Minus 24.
Minus 24, because f is equal to r by 2. So r is equal to 2f. That is 2 into minus 12, which is minus 24 centimeter. Done. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Jayant, next question. Yes, Jayant, what are the things given?
Ma'am, the distance of the object is 20 centimeters.
Symbol. What is the symbol we use?
U,
U is equal to
20 centimeters.
plus minus
Uh, Ma'am, plus convex.
where you are keeping the object.
Ma'am, left, minus, ma'am.
So object you are keeping on left hand side. So it is minus 20. Then
Ma'am, ma'am, F is equal to 25 centimeters.
plus minus
Ma'am, plus.
plus 25. What we have to calculate?
Ma'am, position. Ma'am, which side is the image formed?
You need to know.
Ma'am, RHS.
So calculate the position of the image.
So we should calculate V.
V value we have to calculate. Formula?
Ma'am, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
Okay. So 1 by F minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by V. 1 by 25 minus of minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20. LCM 100. 4 plus 5 is 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to 9 by 100. V is equal to 100 by 9. That is 11.01. No, it's 11.1 only. What is its nature? V is positive. So this means value of V you got as positive value. So what might be the nature of the image?
Virtual.
Virtual, ma'am.
Virtual, and if virtual image, that means it should be
Inverted.
inverted,
Yes, sorry.
Ma'am, erect.
erect, and diminished. Dikshita, next question. First complete the earlier one. Next, Dikshita, given things.
Ma'am, U is equals to minus 20 centimeter.
U is equal to minus 20.
Then V is equals to minus 40, ma'am.
Why minus 40?
Ma'am, why? Because it's concave mirror.
So,
It's a real image formed.
okay, right. Then,
Ma'am, then height of the object is 2 centimeter.
so height of object, which formula we are using? Sorry, symbol we are using?
Ma'am, HO.
HO is 2. Very good.
Ma'am, then we are using mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by V plus 1 by U
Okay,
is equals to 1 by F.
right.
So
We have to calculate the,
1
yes.
1 by minus 40
Hmm.
plus 1 by minus 20.
Denominator should not be negative. So give all the minus sign to the numerator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, minus 1, minus 2. So this is minus 3 by 40 is the value of 1 by F. So F is equal to minus 40 by 3. That is 13.3 minus centimeter. So F is equal to minus 13 by 3, and the height of image also we have to calculate. So HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. HI by HO is 2 minus V. V is minus of minus 40 divided by minus 20. So this minus sign get cancelled. HI is equal to minus 40 by 20, and this 2 will be shifted on other side. This get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled. Answer is minus 4 is HI. Height of image is minus 4 centimeter. This worksheet I've already sent you in a group. I've sent the full worksheet of light numericals. It consists of reflection also and refraction also. Reflection has 50 numericals. So all of these I have sent you. If you have printer, you can take the this printout of that and keep it, because you have to solve all the questions. Completed 6 question.
Yes, ma'am.
Adrika, next question. No, already values are given, so calculate that. All the values are already given. And with sign they have given, so find out the answer. You have to do by yourself. Next question, Adrika. 8th one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, is the V is equal to minus 60.
right.
Ma'am, V is minus 60 and HI is minus 3.
Very good, right. Yes, Rishika?
Ma'am, I was going to tell the answer.
Okay. Got the answer?
Ma'am, is it minus
Ma'am,
60 and
I'm not
minus
able to
3?
hear your voice.
Yes. Minus 60 and minus 3. Adrika, 8th question now.
Ma'am, height of the object is 2 centimeter.
Okay. Height of object symbol and sign. Both you have to tell.
Okay. HO is equal to 2 centimeter.
Okay.
And then this is a distance. And U is 32 centimeter
Plus minus
minus.
minus 32. Okay.
And then size of the object is 3 centimeter.
Size of
Image.
image. So HI plus or
HI.
minus?
Plus. Minus. Find
Minus 3.
Yeah.
Find the focal length of the mirror and position of the image. Focal length and position. Both here to calculate. Okay. So which formula we will use?
Ma'am, first we have to find V.
V value. Yes, right.
So so HI by HO is equal to minus V by U.
Right. HI is minus 3.
Three.
HO is 2. Minus V by minus 32. Minus cancel. Minus 3 by 2 into 32 is equal to V. 2 16s are, that is
48.
minus 48 is equal to V. Right? So V value we got as a minus 48. Then find out focal length by mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So minus 1 by 48 plus minus 1 by 32. LCM is 96. 48 2s are 96 and 32 3s are 96. So 1 by F is equal to minus 5 by 96. F is equal to minus 96 by 5. So it is 5 1s are 5 9s are 0.2. Minus 19.2 centimeter is the focal length.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for the previous question, they've asked position, size, and nature.
Earlier one.
Yeah.
Position, size and nature. Position is minus 60, that is 60 centimeter in front of the mirror. Size is 3 centimeter. And nature is V is minus. That means
It is a real image. Real and inverted.
It is real image, and hi is minus 3, that means it is inverted image.
Ma'am, even magnified.
Initial
Ma'am,
value
can you
is
scroll a little?
1. Yes, it is magnified.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you scroll a little?
Yes. Completed, Janvi? Any doubt? Ninth question, Rohit Krishna. Yes. What are the things given first?
Ma'am, u is equal to minus 12.
Okay. If the image is twice as large as the object, this means
Hi is equal to 2 of double of HO.
very good. Hi is equal to 2HO. Now one method is now whether it is positive or negative. That we have to think, because it can be positive, it can be negative. Here they have given. It's a inverted image. So inverted image means positive or negative Hi value.
Negative.
Why others are telling?
In-
It's an inverted
Ma-
image. So inverted
Ma'am,
image
so it's
where we
minus,
got.
minus,
So this is
minus.
minus because it is formed below principal axis. Inverted images are formed below principal axis. So therefore it is minus. So this means Hi by Ho is equal to minus 2. So we will get the relation. We have the relation minus V by U is equal to Hi by Ho. Substitute values and find the value of V. Hi by Ho directly. We don't have Hi or Ho value, but we have the ratio between them. That is minus 2. Minus V by U is minus 12. So this minus get cancelled. So V is equal to minus 2 into 12, which is
Minus
minus
24.
24 centimeter. And find the focal length also in this question. Here again, extended. Find focal length of the lens. Mirror.
Ma'am, is focal at -8?
Yes. Roshita, next question. First complete the 9th one and then 10th one. Complete your 9th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then 10th one, tell me.
U is equal to -10.
Okay.
So HI is equal to 2HO, minus 2HO.
Why minus?
Okay, ma'am, it's plus because it's erect.
Yes, it is plus HO. So method is same. HI by HO is equal to 2. Minus V by U is equal to HI by HO. Minus V by minus 10 is equal to 2. Minus cancel. V is equal to 20. Medha, next question.
Ma'am, U is -12.
Okay.
Radius of curvature is 6. Position of image.
B you have to calculate. So radius plus minus?
Minus.
Minus. Can you calculate focal length by knowing radius?
Yeah. Wait.
So what is the focal length?
R by 2.
R by 2.
Why others are telling? Don't you follow the instructions?
-3, ma'am.
Minus 3 centimeter. So F you have, U you have, find V. Find out everyone.
Ma'am, V is equal to -6.
-6, no.
Ma'am, V is equal to -4.
Yeah,
-4.
it's -4. Sharad, 3, 6, 3 4s are 12. Check the sign properly. You have done sign mistake in the numerator.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Rohit B, next. Here question is asked, 1 second. Here's question is asked to draw scale diagram to locate the image. Scale diagram means you have to reduce these distances and you have to draw act with those values on the paper, plane of paper. That means you have to take the same values you have to draw. Means focal length 10 centimeter, you have to take focal length as 10 centimeter. You have to take object distance as 15 centimeter. Height is 2 centimeter. But on the paper, it's not possible to take 10 and 15 centimeter distances on the small paper. So therefore, we are reducing this to some scale. And then by using that scale, you have to draw on the paper. So actual distances you have to mention, and from that actually you have to calculate the value of length or height, anything. So but here right now we are not supposed to do, we will draw only we will find out the values only. Yes, Rohit B, tell me.
HO is equals to 2 centimeter.
Okay.
U is equals to minus 15 centimeter.
Very good.
And F is equals to minus 10 centimeter.
Very good. So what we have to calculate, that is length and the length of the image form. That means V and the HI. Okay, so you have to calculate V and HI. Calculate, everyone. Now I will not solve because you know how to solve. Solve and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, is V 30 centimeter?
Plus minus?
Plus.
No.
And minus.
How? I got it properly. Check.
Ma'am, is V minus 30?
Yes, right. Minus 30.
Is height of image minus 4.
Very good, right?
Ma'am, is V minus 30 and H height of the image is minus 4.
Yes, right. Next question I will solve. Here they have given that image of the object placed 16 centimeter from a concave mirror. That means it is given U is equal to minus 16. And image is formed at a distance of 24 centimeter from the mirror. Calculate the possible focal length of the concave mirror. Why it is given possible focal length? Yeah, so they have not told here that is image is formed only, they have told at 24 centimeter. But they have not mentioned whether it is a real image or whether it is a virtual image. So we have to consider both the possibilities. So we can be positive also and can be negative also. If it is case 1, we have to take image is real. If image is real, that means what is the value of V? Plus or minus 24?
Minus 24.
It's minus 24. By considering now V is equal to minus 24 and U is equal to minus 16, calculate the focal length. So that is one case. And the case 2, image is virtual. So therefore V is equal to plus 24 and U is equal to minus 16. Calculate the focal length. So two focal lengths you have to calculate by this way. Okay, so find out.
Ma'am, in the first case, is it minus 48?
Yes, right. You completed? Rishika, next question.
Ma'am, distance of the object is minus 20 centimeters.
Symbol used.
My U.
U is equal to minus 20.
V is equal to 12 centimeters.
Plus minus.
Ma'am, plus.
Plus. So find the focal length.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, find out.
F is equal to 30.
Yes, I think so. Yes, right. F is equal to plus 30.
Ma'am, how is V plus 12?
Which mirror is this?
Convex.
So convex mirror means image is formed on
Okay, fine, I got it.
convex mirror. Image is always formed on right hand side.
Right hand side. It's always virtual.
Next question, Aditya.
Ma'am,
Yes, 15th question.
ma'am, U is minus 12.
Minus 12.
Mm. Mm.
Image formed is real and 4 times larger than
Yes, ma'am.
object. So this means larger. So in same question you have solved already.
So V is, oh no, the height of image is HI is equal to 4HO
Plus minus.
minus.
Minus 4HO. So that means HI by HO is equal to
Minus
minus
4.
4. Then find V. Minus V by U is equal to HI by HO. Substitute value and calculate. Abhijit got the answer. Abhijit, have you got the answer? Manisha, next question.
And V is equal to minus 48 for 15th one.
Yeah, right. Manisha, next question. Manisha, can you hear me? I'm not able to hear you. It's very loud. Come closer to the mobile or a laptop you're using.
Okay, ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, I can.
U is equal to minus 24.
U is equal to minus 24, right?
And HI is equal to minus 2HO.
Okay, right.
And now we have to find the focal length and the V.
V. So you have HI is equal to minus 2HO. So HI by HO is equal to minus 2. That is equal to minus V by U. Find V value and then find the for this focal length. After by using finding V, find focal length by mirror formula.
Must be minus 48.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, is the 17th one 30 centimeter in front of the mirror?
Yes, minus 30 centimeter.
Ma'am, is the focal length minus 16?
Yes, it's right. Then solve the 17th also the similar way. Same as 17th question. 18th, 19th you can solve. They are same.
Ma'am, is
20th
U
question.
minus 30?
Yes, very good. Eighteenth and 19th you can solve.
Is it minus 30?
Yes, right. 17th one. 20th question I know you cannot solve. Okay, so see the 20th question. Sharad, can you give any idea on 20th question? 20.
Ma'am, U is minus 10.
U is minus 10. No.
Ma'am, shall I
One second. Yes.
Ma'am, the focal length is 10 centimeters.
Which one? Which focal length you are asking about, telling about?
Ma'am, the 20th one.
I'm asking some other one. No, please don't in between, don't tell that. I need to check out each and every student. I'm coming back. Yes, Sharad.
Ma'am,
When
U is minus 15.
U is okay. U is minus 15.
HO is plus 2 centimeter.
Right. So now what is the meaning of first line? That is important. When a concave mirror is placed facing the sun rays converge to a point 10 centimeter from the mirror. So sun rays which is at infinity. Sun is at infinity. So when the object is at infinity, where you are getting the image? Where you will get the image? Sharad?
Ma'am, between F and P.
When the object is at infinity, first case.
At F.
At focus, that means the rays are converging at 10 centimeter. Means what? The image is formed at 10 centimeter. That is, it is a focal length. So it is image is formed. The rays which are coming parallel to principal axis. So after reflection, they pass through the focus. So that means image is formed at focus. So all the rays are converging at focus and this distance is of 10 centimeter. So that means focal length is minus 10 centimeter. So first line is given to explain you the value of focal length. So they have not given the straightforward value of focal length as 10 centimeter. Instead of that, they have given the situation where the sun rays are converging at a distance of 10 centimeter. That means the sun rays are converging at focus. So therefore, this one, the focal length is 10 centimeter. So F is equal to minus 10. Now what they have asked, if you want to get the image of the pin on a card, where would you place the card? That means screen where you are placing. So screen we will place only where we are getting the image. So V is we have to calculate and nature and height we have to calculate. So HI we have to calculate and the nature of that image we have to write. So already we got to know that nature is the image is formed on the card. That means on the screen. So that means it is a real image. So find out.
Ma'am, V is minus 30.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, and height of image is minus 4.
Yes, right.
Can you scroll up? I want to see the question.
Yeah. 20th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question is there that I know that you cannot solve. It's easy, but some students will face problem. This is a 22nd question. What they have told, an object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. If the object is placed through a distance of displaced through a distance of 20 centimeter towards the mirror, by how much distance is the image displaced? So initial position of the object. This is a concave mirror, pole, focus, C. Focal length 15. So till C, the distance is 30 centimeter. So 40 means beyond C. Object is beyond C at 40 centimeter. This is the O1, object first position. So here to here distance is 40 centimeter. So find out the image of this. We will get that image will be formed between C and F, somewhere you will get. So that is V1. So that is a first image position you will get. Now next condition, that is object is displaced towards the mirror at 20 centimeter. This is F, this is C. Now this is total 30 centimeter. Initially it is at 40 centimeter. Now it is coming closer to 20 centimeter. So how much is the object distance now? It was initially at 40 centimeter and it is moved towards mirror 20 centimeter. So now
20
what is the new
centimeter.
object distance now?
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter. That means it will come between C and F. Now the object, this is a second object distance, which is 20 centimeter. Between C and F you will get. Now find the image distance of this. So image you will get beyond C. So here you will get the image. That is new V2 also we have to calculate. So by initial value of U1 as minus 40 and F is equal to minus 15. Find V1, first image distance. In the second case, consider U2 as minus 20. Focal length remains same because we have not changed the mirror. So find out the second image distance and take the difference between them. So initial image is here and now final image position is here. So how much distance it is displaced. So difference between those two distances you have to calculate. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I have already sent you worksheet. 50 questions are there, 50. So remaining 30 questions solve. You have to solve by tomorrow. Today is a Sunday, so you can finish it. It will take hardly 1 hour time. 1 to 1.5 hour it will take. So by tomorrow evening, you have to complete. And any doubts are there, you can ask me tomorrow. Revti, Karthik, Venkat, I didn't get your mail IDs.
Ma'am, I'll send it now.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Revti,
I'll
I got.
send
Revti,
it.
I got. Venkat and Karthik.
Ma'am, I'll send it now.
You have sent it now.
No, ma'am, I'll send it now.
Already sent it. Fine, let me check. No, Venkat, I could not get it.
Ma'am, I'll send you now, ma'am.
Okay, you will send me now, right? Fine.
Okay.
Revti, I got it. Karthik, yours still this left out.
Ma'am, I'll send it.
Okay, fine. So you can leave now. And all 50 questions you have to finish, remaining questions. Those are easier. Yes, right, Samrita.
4 to 5, 4 to 6, or what?
Huh? Today 4 to 5. Test is 4 to 5.
Okay, ma'am, and tomorrow class?
5 to 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, will the classes be every day or alternate days?
I need to chalk out right now timings. Today I will
Oh.
sit and chalk out. If it's
Okay,
possible, I
ma'am.
will do that.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, the test will be in app, ma'am.
Yeah, in that app.
Ma'am, what's the name, ma'am?
This I've sent the link right now. This one in the group I have sent the link.
Okay, ma'am.
So on that link, click it and you have to log in. Logins, everyone I've sent you.
Yes,
Already
ma'am.
logins I have sent. You have to register. There is a test option. Take the test. That will open only at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, Manish.
Yeah, Manish.
I just wanted to know about the normal drawn to the center of curvature. About that, can you just tell me?
1 second, Anish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Who
you.
was this? Anish. Who was asking?
Anish.
Anish, what you were asking? Can you tell me again?
About the normal to center of curvature.
Normal to center of curvature.
Yeah.
This means normal to center of curvature. That means if any object is passing through center of curvature, is that?
Yeah, that one.
So in that one, you are taking 1 second. So if it is like this, line is passing through C, right?
Yes.
So like here it is passing, falling on the mirror. So this is a point of incidence.
Yes.
So at that point of incidence, we have to draw the perpendicular.
Yes.
So for that, we have to draw that point to the C. That means the same line.
Yeah.
So that means incident ray and this ray, incident ray and the normal both are coinciding.
Okay.
So they will coincide one over the other.
Okay.
So that means angle I is equal to 0.
Okay.
So therefore R is equal to 0. So therefore it passes back through the same path.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.